How and why were the pyramids built? The pyramids are among the most iconic structures of Egyptian civilization. These huge structures were built in the period from the 26th century BC to the 17th century BC. Pyramids represent the tombs of the pharaohs and reflect the Egyptians' beliefs in death and the afterlife. Construction of pyramids. The construction of the pyramids was a complex and labor-intensive process. The pyramids are made of giant stone blocks made of limestone and granite. These stone blocks were quarried near the Nile River. Stone blocks were transported to the opposite bank of the river by channels and ropes. Later, stone blocks were placed on the pyramids with the help of ramps and levers. Reasons for pyramids. The most important reason for the construction of pyramids was to protect the tombs of the pharaohs. Egyptians believed that pharaohs would go to the afterlife after death. Pyramids ensured that the souls of the pharaohs were protected in the afterlife. The construction of the pyramids was also important to showcase the engineering and craftsmanship skills of the Egyptians. The pyramids were some of the largest and most complex structures built at that time. The construction of the pyramids was one of the greatest economic and political endeavors of Egyptian civilization. Thousands of workers and artisans worked to build the pyramids. The construction of the pyramids was a demonstration of the economic and political power of the Egyptian civilization.